Мы приехали в Убуд, в нашу виллу, и она просто бомбическая. Сейчас вам ее покажу. Нам пришлось ее забукать, потому что вилла трехкомнатная. Получается, 3 домика. Здесь, скорее всего, спать никто не будет, потому что Милка будет спать, естественно, с нами. Но ванна здесь очень крутая. Это уже побольше. Outside, yeah?
Outside.
But you will stay in your separate villa, yeah? Or you will sleep with us?
Mama.
What?
Spider!
Oh no! A little spider. Doesn't do any harm, don't worry. Вилла стоит на 2 ночи 180 евро. И сейчас мы только что поговорили с владельцем виллы. Он сказал то, что может предоставить, что завтра он нас повсюду повозит за 700 тысяч. Ну, это где-то 30, даже меньше 30 евро. Весь день он повозит, покажет нам все. Вот мы сейчас думаем брать скутер, либо уже поехать с водителем. Мы нашли слонов.
a lot of mud.
And our third destination is how much?
200 for grown-ups.
For grown-ups and for kids?
Free.
Free? Really?
Villa's free.
It was written from 5 to 11.
He didn't want anything. She's cute.
She's cute. Look at her. How cute she is. Good.
Ceremony, we can take it from this one.
Okay, so these ones,
All that one, except
Okay.
to this one.
except these two,
Yes.
they're special
Yes.
for some special ceremonies.
For the cremation ceremony.
Cremation.
When we pass away, we have
Oh, okay.
normally when we have the
Okay, so tell me about Balinese New Year.
our Balinese New Year. We have a Balinese New Year's. We have a very different with other New Year's. The Balinese New Year's like the lockdown, like the quiet day, silent day. Everything will be closed. Nobody on the road, no any car. All the people will be stay at home. We're just doing the meditation for the introspections ourselves. What's our dance before and what's our plan for next year's. That is our Balinese New Year's concept.
Okay, and you have calendar with 35 days?
Yes, our calendar in Bali is 35 days, not just 30 days.
Okay, that's so interesting. Thank you.
My pleasure. Snack skin fruit.
Snack skin.
Skin, yes, the fruits. That one. Snack skin fruit.
Snack skin. Terus banyak.
We call salak in Indonesia.
See? Does it smell? Yeah.
It's only after roasting. This is not so good. Fruits.
Okay.
Куркума это.
Ничего себе.
То есть получается вот это вот плод, он видишь мягкий. Это желтый, вот это оранжевый, это хрень.
Oh shit. It's a dragon fruit.
Yes, the dragon fruit.
It looks like aloe.
Like a cactus.
Like a cactus, yeah?
Yeah.
Dragon fruit.
Yeah.
Dragon fruit.
Таро. Просто сначала было в мире животных, теперь в мире растений.
Okay, here. What's this one? It's the coffee bean.
Coffee bean. Okay.
Here. You know this one?
Yeah, it's Stefan, what's that? It's this
Okay.
Гвоздика.
We call cengkeh in Bali, in Indonesia. In English is clove.
cloves. Yeah. Cloves, right?
Yes.
White pepper,
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
ginger, curcuma.
Oh, Stefan, come on. You
I cooked with it 3 days ago. I don't remember the name.
turmeric.
Turmeric, yeah.
Here.
That's cinnamon.
Yeah, here.
And this one.
Galangal. Galangal.
What is that?
Galangal.
Ginger.
No.
No?
We call the galangal in English is called the galangal.
Okay.
Here's, you know this one? Here's the aromatic ginger.
Ginger, yeah?
Aromatic ginger. Not the ginger.
Aromatic ginger.
Yeah.
And what's the difference between ginger and
different.
aromatic?
When we can making like a sauce, for Balinese sauce, all this one. Maybe for the here must be more this one. Then less ginger, turmeric, and then this one will be same. Also, we can making some sauce when you combine this one and that one
Don't
with
mix it.
the garlic. This is very good.
Yeah?
That's how I made this yellow chicken curry. This one, and the lemongrass.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Maybe you can put this one. Will be good. You know what is one dear?
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass. This is good
Yeah.
for the tea. It's good for human. Or for the woman.
Yeah. Wow, nice.
Okay. You know what this one?
No,
If you know this one, $100 for you. If not, $200 for me.
I I'm not playing this game now. That's not fair.
This one?
No.
You like it? This one.
Yeah?
For the ice cream? The
Put the
flowers?
ice-
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
That's right.
Really? This is vanilla.
Yes, vanilla tree.
We have the sample of the chocolate. Yeah, this is cacao bean. I make it like a chocolate bar, and also that you make it the chocolate powder. Yeah, this is the bean that can you smell because it's not roasted. This is Balinese coffee. This is the bean from the Arabica coffee. So the bean this is not can you smell because it's not roasted. And here so we have like two type Bali coffee that we calling male and female. When you open the red cherry bean that you find like a double inside, this is we calling female. Eh? So when you open the red cherry bean that you find only the single bean inside, this is we call a male coffee. So we have like a different taste, but male more strong taste than in female. So this is all the same can bean, all Arabica coffee. This is coffee from the animal. This is called the luwak coffee. This is the bean. We have to clean many times by hot water, yeah? And then we wash, we dry. Before we roasting, we have to remove the skin. Everything we do by hand, so we don't use machine. We have to find only the bean inside for the coffee bean. So we have to clean this more by hot water. We dry again, and also that we have to make it a roasting. So this is very a lot process. Yeah. When later you interesting to try the luwak coffee, don't worry about the poo because it's coffee 100% clean. This is the clean already. Yeah? So that we have to make it a roasting for the bean. Everything we do by hand, so we don't use machine. For 1 kilogram of coffee, that's roasting around 45 minutes until to black color, yeah? Until we have the good aroma. The next minute the coffee. Finish minute. Then we put here.
Hi, Mama.
Coming, look. Oh, this is a lot of coffee.
Yes. We need to drink it first.
And tea, yeah.
From the ginger, this is good for the stomach problem and salt drink. Red rice tea, this is the good for strong burn and calcium. So you have tea from the lemongrass tea. This is the good for skin, also good for slim body. This is pure Bali coffee, no sugar. This is coffee mixed from the avocado. Mangosteen tea. This is the good for the cholesterol, diabetes, and also good for antioxidant. So this is saffron and mixed from the curcuma. This is the good for the immune system. Vanilla coffee. This is mochaccino, the coffee mixed chocolate. Coconut coffee. Ginseng coffee for energy. And the last one, this is chocolate. Yeah? You can enjoy your drink. Yeah?
Thank you. What's
That's good.
different?
It's not so bitter. Tastes softer. Just in coffee, right now. Coffee comes out.
Mama, what's this?
Are we gonna make it?
нас сегодня последний день на Убуде. Завтра мы уже улетаем, и я решила записать вам такое видео. Моя камера сдохла, поэтому я записываю его на телефон. Самое важное, что я отсюда унесу, это люди. Я никогда не встречала таких добрых людей. Я даже размышляла за эти 3 недели, что мы здесь были. Мне кажется, я ни разу, да, не мне кажется, я ни разу не видела никого, кто бы ругался, кто бы кричал по телефону, кто бы сказал какой-нибудь, ну, конечно, я не понимаю балийского, но как бы это, по крайней мере, по лицам, по интонациям или английский язык. Если брать на рассмотрение английский язык, то никто никогда никого не обидел, никто никогда никому не сказал какого-то плохого слова. И это, конечно, настолько радует, потому что в наше время, конечно, очень сложно найти страну, в которой позитивные люди. Я не говорю о какой-то определенной стране, но мне кажется, все более и более мы углубляемся в негатив, мы углубляемся во что-то политически негативно влияющее на нашу жизнь. И забываем просто о том, что, ребят, как мы разговаривали с Маде, он сказал, он живет по правилу того, что он всегда говорит спасибо, всегда, и всегда несет любовь. И как бы это не было чересчур духовно-спиритуально, но мне кажется, это просто обыкновенная правда жизни. Будь благодарным за все и просто люби. В общем, вот эту вот философию я, конечно, очень бы хотела унести с собой в Германию, но посмотрим, как это будет. Пришли на мастер-класс по подделке из серебра. Silver making class. Сейчас покажу. Hello.
Emilia, you can draw. Like the Tegilis and Nusa, Lambongan was very nice there. The beach was very nice.
I built sandcastle there.
They actually like every place except Nusa Dua for some reason, because it's too cleaned up and touristy. But the rest is very good. Ubud is very calm, jungle. Here you just need to always have some drivers, or it's a bit hard, the distances are bigger. Ubud is very easy to come everywhere. It's cool, you have so much different beaches. Yeah, very nice.